My Results contains your submitted transactions. Please ensure your pop-up blocker has been disabled first. If this setting is not turned off, features of this website may not work as intended. Clicking on the Show Transaction Details button at the bottom of the page allows the user to see the details of each transaction listed. For each transaction listed, you can view its details, current submission status, and response. You can also view your service center information. If you do not see your transaction, then change the date range to cover the date you were fingerprinted. To view or download your response, first ensure your pop-up blocker is disabled. Second, click on the Show Transaction Details at the bottom of the page. Then click on Response. Scroll to the bottom of the Response tab and click on the Download Authenticated PDF button to download your response. If response cannot be selected, the response is unavailable.